got a California special here on a Mustang. Even got a California tag on it. Look at these tail lights. They look like Mercury Cougar tail lights. GTCS. Even the hubcaps. These are poverty covers on a steel wheel. That's what that is. It's got a stick, got a 4-speed. Wood grain dash. A neat old car in its day. This is a beautiful color of gold. That ain't too shabby, folks. 68. Nice. I like that. Man, we got a GTO. Move on past this one. There's a crowd around it.
I mean, I had the machine work done, but
TR6. I like these. I've always liked these things. Everybody talks crap about them. I get it. 71. I know. I've heard it, but I still like them. Uncle Tony should have put a slant 6 in one of these. Much cooler than a Miata, in my opinion. Right, we got a little Cutlass here. T-top disco car. Oh my! Another food vendor. Oh man, we got a Mercury Cyclone. I'm gonna try to get that for you guys. I'm gonna come back down here. The Grimlin. '73 Grimlin X. Galaxy 500. It's 64 in case you guys can't see it. And it's out of Virginia. Looks like this might have been an older restoration back in the 80s. Oh, check this out. I guess that's the original dealer. Nice ride. Man, all these food vendors are making me hungry. I hear a little bit of a whining sound. I wonder if it's got a blower underneath there. Unfortunately, he's leaving. It's too bad. Definitely a little either the power steering or the alternator, or he's got a supercharger on it, one or the other. I don't know if you guys notice, but I have fun when I do this stuff. I laugh a lot, I kid around a lot. You gotta enjoy it, man. You gotta enjoy it. Nice little Chevy truck there. A quick walk around on it for you. See if I can see what it says to you. This is he didn't get his car out, so I don't know. It must be a 64. bug. I got to do a bug before I get too old to do cars anymore. I got to get it out of the system. Well, we got a guy selling parts. We're almost at the end here, folks. Let's see what kind of parts we got for sale here. And some posters. Rims of these. Okay. Got a trailer full of stuff here. I do declare that looks like a Dodge Monaco grill right there. Like a 66. And the reason I know is I got one sitting on the shelf at the house. Huh, I didn't bring any money with me, and I don't guess I need another one. I'd have two sitting on the shelf. All kind of stuff in here. I'm sorry? I'm looking for arrowheads? No, no. I purposely didn't bring any money with me because I knew I'd spend it. I said, I've been to too many of these things and left broke. And if I see stuff, I'd buy too. Like this.
Penny racers. Penny racers.
All right. A lot of street rods down here. Oh, I see a Buick way down there at the other end. Some cars. See, all this used to be full of cars. And like I said, the lady that put it on, she was big into hot rods and racing, and she moved on. She was part of there was a Hall of Fame, North Carolina Drag Racing Hall of Fame was also part of this event. And they would bring in racers from all over the country that used to race here in North Carolina and won races and whatnot, had engine builders, that kind of thing. And like I said, she moved on and kind of just died out, I guess. It's a shame. Well, I'm gonna turn you off while I walk up here and get these little stragglers that just lined up back here. Pardon me. Okay, I'm back with you folks. Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I don't know where we're gonna end up editing this video in or at, but we're still walking down the row of cars at the Henderson Car Show. Yeah, this one here appears to be either an older restoration car, it needs to be restored again, or a survivor. I got the feeling it was restored years and years and years ago. The doors start to rot back through. Let's see what else we got up here.
Oh, yeah. We probably,
69 Camaro 302. That's right, a 302 in a Camaro. Indeed. A 302 Chevy. I think it was a D-stroked 327, I believe. Am I right, Chevy guys? And we got a Nova here with a little 283. Red lines. '64, and we got a Disco Nova. I'm sorry, Oldsmobile. Omega. Not sure what's going on back here. Looks like they took the window louvers off. Yeah, that's what they did. They took the window louvers off, and that's what left that. Got the hood pins in it, and yet the hood still popped up a little bit.
Papa.
Let's move on down here, and there's two stragglers down here. Let me turn you off one more time and we'll get these two. Alrighty, alright. What we have here? Got a blower. This thing is yellow. What's going on here? I'll see he lifts up so he can get to his master cylinder and his fuel cell. Pretty cool. Must be a 53. And let's mosey on down the line here. We'll come back to some of these cars, folks. I'm just trying to get a, let you guys see what this Henderson car show is all about. Even in these lean years, it's still a lot of cars here. Oh man, drop top Impala. Beautiful, beautiful. Drop top Malibu. We got about a 71 Chevelle here. Is that what that is?
Really bad.
This is Chevelle Road right here. Sorry folks, I had to get past those folks. I probably didn't get a good look at the cars. I'm sorry about that. I videoed this Ford at a show a couple weeks ago, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on it. Ford. Oh man, look at this. This is a 61, 62 maybe. Yeah, 62. Again, these black cars draw me because I'm into touch-up business and I polish cars and do minor repair. And when I see a black car that's straight, I just have to stop and look at it because I know how much work that is to get it to look like that. Again, this one is sitting in the shade, but still, she looks straight. Love the way they got a little ding on the finish panel here. Love the way the back end of these cars look. Some SS too, folks. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. I mean, this car is straight. Let's see if I can get through here.
He had trouble about that.
A little Studebaker. Had the weirdest valve covers in the business. They always painted them some crazy color. The Gran Turismo Hawk GT. 1963. I think Studebaker was out of business in 66. Is that right? Or 64? I can't remember. Great looking dash. Can't ask for no better. I mean, you see everything. Oh, little bitty shifter. Oh, goodness. Nice car. Nice automobile. Look at this up here, guys. That is nice. the package shelf needs a little work. Alright, I want to do a second video on this Mercury here.